Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Figma templates for app prototypes, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Figma templates for app prototypes, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Figma community website at www.figma.com/community. Once there, you can either browse through the featured templates or use the search bar to look for specific templates. Type in relevant keywords related to the app prototype you want to create. Press Enter to search and review the available templates. Scroll through the results to find a template that meets your needs. Click on the template to view more details about it. On the template page, you will see an option to duplicate the file. Click on the Duplicate button to add the template to your own Figma drafts. If prompted, log into your Figma account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once the template is duplicated into your drafts, navigate to your Figma dashboard. You can access the template from the Drafts section. Open the duplicated template to start editing. Familiarize yourself with the layout and components provided in the template. You can now customize the design elements according to your project needs. Make sure to save your work regularly while you edit. When you're satisfied with your prototype, you can share it with others or export assets as needed. That's how you download and use Figma templates for your app prototypes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.